Cue the intrigue. Thailand, a tropical paradise, but beyond the bustling Bangkok and the sandy Phuket lie hidden gems. Let's dive in. First up, Pai, a small town nestled in the mountains, a haven for nature lovers and peace seekers. Next, Chiang Dao, home to the third highest peak in Thailand, it's a trekker's delight. Third, Koh Lipe, the Maldives of Thailand, it's famous for its crystal clear water and vibrant coral reefs. Then we have Hua Hin, known for its magnificent vineyards and night markets, it's a blend of culture and fun. Finally, Sukhothai, an archaeological spectacle, it's the birthplace of Thai civilization. Each spot, a unique tale, a different adventure. Thailand beyond the usual, unveil the unseen.